Hi, how to change your default interactive shell on your Mac OS. So when I open a terminal, I get this message. The default interactive shell is now ZSH. To update your account to use Z shell, please run blah 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 blah. Okay, this command. And then there is here a link you can follow if you have any questions. But how do I change it? So it's just as simple as copying and pasting this command. But first we have to check, we will check what is our currently the shell we are currently using. So it's bin bash is bin bash is bash. So bash shell, not the Z shell, the recommended one. There is another way to check this. If you go here to system settings and then down here to users and group, right click, advanced options, type password. Okay, and you can see that my login shell is bin bash, is currently bin bash. For example, for this other user, it is also bin bash. For this one, okay, this one is already on Z shell. Okay, so how can we do this? Just copy. I think I already did it, but I'll do it again just to confirm that is the right text on my clipboard. Okay, then it asks for a password. If I now type echo in my variable shell, so it will print. Okay, it's still bash because I didn't log in, didn't log off and log on again. I can open a new session using su dash and my username. This will open another session. In this case, it will be already in my option Z shell. So we already have the variable put in the right place on this session. If I go back to the previous section, just for testing purposes, okay, it's still bash. So I would have to to close the terminal and log in again, but I'll do it that way. Okay, open here a new session. Okay, I'm currently in Z shell. If I go here and check it again, it's still login shell, it's still bin bash again because I didn't log off. As soon as I log off and log on again, it will be Z shell there. I'm just testing if I close and open it again, it will make any change. Yeah. Okay, I just closed system settings and open it again, and now it's set to Z shell. There was no need for log off. So what about my environment variables? I can check that here. Pipe grab profile. That is, oh, there's that typo here. So here in this file, I have, let's read what is on the, oops, not wrong, wrong text, paste it. Okay. What I have in my dot profile is this export path. So I should have this variable set, but this is a global variable. So I will not have this Java home should not be set because it will not read this dot profile. We have to move that to dot z profile, but let's check it out. Okay, okay, as you can see, this variable that is set when you log in with your user, that is inside inside your home directory. There is this dot profile that is read, and these variables are set on your session. But in this case, this file was not read by this session, by this Z shell session. If you go here, it's empty. That's why. So we have to do some fix here. We have to move dot profile to dot z profile. In this case, this dot z profile will be read in your new Z shell session. You can go exit this Z shell session and go back again. Okay, now if I do echo Java home, okay, now you have this variable already set because this file is the one that is read by your session, your Z shell session. Now close if you close your terminal, I just wanted to copy here another thing. Okay, I lost it. No problem. No problem, no problem. Um, if I close here, you want to, okay, no problem. Now if I open, I will quit terminal. Now I open a new terminal. Let's see what is my shell now. Okay, great. It is already the shell set, so everything is okay. If I wanted to change it back, I could do it with the same command I did before, using that command. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, this command with csh, not cat. This was a typo. With this command, but with bash here, it would change it back to the bash shell as default. I could change it also in here as we saw before. You can change it to any of these shells. Okay, let me check if I have here open a. I don't have it. Support temple. It's not this. Okay, let me check if I can search for this, for that link we had there. Okay, is this one. This is the link we had there in the message, in the previous message before we change it to ZSH. So this is they explains how you can change to your default shell. You can use a different shell and discard that message we saw before, that this is recommending the use of Z shell. You just add to your dot profile this bash silence deprecation warning variable, and it will deprecate that message. You will not see it again, and you use your preferred shell without receiving that warning. And this is how to switch profile in prompt. Okay, we just copied that, but there are some other ways to do it, and there are some ways to test your shell scripts if you have any. So this shell is the recommended shell for your user, for your sessions, because it is written above bash, so It have some better features or some more features than Bash. You can read more about it, or maybe you can talk about we can talk about it later in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.